Your Zebra Android mobile devices are an important part of your business strategy. Every day, they help streamline processes and better serve your customers. With thousands of square feet in your retail store or warehouse, it's easy for workers to misplace their device. And finding devices can be like finding a needle in a haystack. And every missing device impacts workforce productivity and your return on investment. Introducing Zebra Technologies Device Tracker, the enterprise-grade software solution that helps you track and find lost and misplaced devices. Part of Zebra's Mobility DNA suite of value-added applications, this cloud-based solution is easy to deploy, and there's no additional infrastructure to purchase and manage. And the result is you have maximum device availability, maximum device value, maximum return on investment, and maximum workforce productivity. No matter where you are or your devices are, IT administrators will have instant visibility to all of their devices across all locations, right in the palm of their hands. They can prevent a device from becoming misplaced by taking quick action for devices that are about to go offline due to their battery levels. And when a device becomes misplaced, they will know who is using the device, the site location it was in, and what specific area in the facility it was being used. Then, by using the simple Geiger counter style proximity indicator, local workers and managers can quickly find the device by searching easily identifiable areas, while remotely ringing the missing device at any time, helping them find the device even when it's not in view. Put the power to track your Zebra Android mobile devices in the palm of your hands with Device Tracker, only from Zebra.